Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to tune a Toyota Supra RZ in Forza Horizon 5. First, ensure your Supra has all race-level upgrades for engine, drivetrain, and tires. This provides the best foundation for tuning. Next, install a race suspension and anti-roll bars. These components are crucial for precise adjustments later. We'll focus on creating a balanced setup for both street and track driving. Now, let's refine the suspension. Set your front springs to 600 pounds per inch and the rear to 550 pounds per inch for a firm yet responsive ride. For anti-roll bars, use 25.00 for the front and 15.00 for the rear to manage body roll effectively. Moving to the differential, set acceleration to 65% and deceleration to 25%. This helps with power delivery and stability during cornering. Next, we'll tackle aerodynamics and braking. For downforce, set the front to 150 pounds and the rear to 250 pounds. This provides excellent high-speed stability. For your brakes, adjust the balance to 48% towards the front. This slight front bias helps prevent rear wheel lockup. Set the brake pressure to 100% to ensure maximum stopping power when you need it most. Finally, let's fine-tune your tires and gearing. Set your front tire pressure to 29.0 psi and the rear to 28.0 psi for excellent grip and handling. For gearing, a final drive of 350 offers a great balance between quick acceleration and a respectable top speed. Remember, these are starting points. Feel free to adjust slightly based on your driving style. Also, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.